let's learn how you can fix focus issues and blur issues on iPhone camera. So let us start by opening our camera application. As you can see here, it's a bit unpleasant to look at this moment. First thing you want to do is to clear your camera lens with whatever you have. For example, I cleared mine with my t-shirt and it helped. Second thing you want to do is to disable live photo, because it can help with creating normal photos. Then you want to just click once on your screen, so tap it, and phone will change light to match the ambiental light on your room. And one last tip I have to give you is to hold your hand steady while taking photos, so it doesn't run out of focus, it doesn't lose focus. As you can see here, right, just steady hand before you click, and when you take photo it's gonna look focused and good looking. So that's it, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.